Good morning, Erin. One man was hospitalized after a crash in Rochester Sunday evening. At approximately 5:56 p.m., Rochester police and firefighters and Frisbee Emergency Medical Service responded to the area of 145 Rochester Hill Road for a two-car motor vehicle collision. The investigation showed that Jose Cavasco, 43, of Rochester, was driving a GMC Every traveling east on Rochester Hill Road. Also in the vehicle were Anna Rita Olas, 41, of Rochester, as well as 3 children. John McGravy, 33, of Farmington, was driving a Nissan Pathfinder, also traveling east on Rochester Hill Road. As the envoy slowed, the two vehicles collided. McGravy was transported to Frisbee Memorial Hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. The occupants of the NV were evaluated on scene, but did not require hospitalization. Rochester Hill Road was shut down for a short period of time. The cause remains under investigation. Anyone with information about the collision is asked to contact the Rochester Police Department at 603-330-7128. Reporting live here outside the Rochester Police Department, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Erin, back over to you.